Okay, YouTube, here we are back out in the shed and got the charge controller back in, and you can see the charging LED is flashing like that. Probably several hertz there. I mean, it's pulsing on and off, and that flashing rate will go up or down. It's not really slow, but it's slow enough you can see. Now if I turn my thermostat down, and there we've picked up the fan, and now the flashing is going a lot faster. It's almost on fully, and in fact if I go over here and turn on my light, you can see it's now fully on. And then if we turn it off, it'll stay on for a while, and now it starts flashing. And if we turn off the fan, you can see now it's actually shut off. Now there it starts up slow, and then as you increase the load on the system, it's back to full. And if you turn the fan off, it'll actually shut off there. And then as the battery voltage drops a little bit, then it starts pulsing again. Seems to be working there in float mode. So yeah, I think this is just a two-stage charger. Yes, I think it stays fully on until it hits 14.2, and then it drops into this pulsing mode when it gets up to into float charge. And then over here, there's my fan. I'll turn on the thermostat. There we go. So I got my fan running, and then turn it off. So yeah, I just ran all the wires for the fan just along here, over and way down there and out, and I'll be putting the fan in behind the battery there. So I think that should yeah, I should have enough clearance to get a little bit of airflow. It'll come over the back of the battery and over the top there and up from below. So yeah, I think it'll pull most of the air down here over the top of the battery, because I want the fan up as high as I can get it to pick up the hot air that rises up in the shed. So now I've got to figure out where to cut a hole here and get that fan mounted in here. You can see the battery, we're at 13.8 right there. Yeah, the charge controller's just flashing really slow now. You can see it's on, off, on, off. Instead of varying the duty cycle, I think they seem to vary the frequency of the pulsing. But if I turn on the light, because that light will add about 1 amp of load. So as soon as I turn on the light, the charge controller goes into full boost mode. And then if I turn it off, it'll run the battery voltage up. So yeah, I think everything's working here. So next step is I have to get the fan mounted in the wall of the shed and get a hole cut to let the hot air out. So I'll show you that in the next video. Yeah, I just wanted to show you the charge controller and thermostat and fan all working together finally. So I'll put some videos over here on the side you might be interested in. Any questions about the system, post up in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.